Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super interesting topic that is a game changer in the tech world. The powerful duo of cybersecurity and open source intelligence, or OSINT. You might think of them as separate fields, but when they team up, they create an almost unbeatable defense system. So, how does this work? Let's break it down. First, what exactly is OSINT? It's the practice of collecting and analyzing information from publicly available sources. Think social media profiles, public records, news articles, forums, basically anything you can find online without needing special access. Now, you might be wondering, how is this useful for cybersecurity? Well, it's like having a superpower that lets you see what the bad guys see. Attackers often use OSINT to find weaknesses in a company's defenses. They look for employee information, details about the technology a company uses, or even forgotten, unpatched systems connected to the internet. They're essentially building a map of your organization using public information. So, if they can do it, why shouldn't the defenders do it too? This is where the magic happens. By using OSINT proactively, cybersecurity teams can get ahead of the curve. They can scan the web to find exposed credentials, sensitive documents accidentally uploaded to public platforms, or discussions on dark web forums mentioning their company. This is called threat intelligence. It's like having a scout who reports back on potential dangers before they even reach your front door. This allows security professionals to patch vulnerabilities, educate employees about information they might be oversharing, and prepare for specific types of attacks they know are being planned. Think about it this way: traditional cybersecurity is like building strong walls and locking your doors. Combining it with OSINT is like having guards who patrol the outside, listen to a city's gossip, and understand the tactics of potential invaders. This synergy turns a reactive defense into a proactive one. Companies can identify and fix security gaps they never even knew they had, simply by looking at themselves from an outsider's perspective. It helps them reduce their digital footprint and makes them a much harder target for cyber criminals. So, the combination of cybersecurity and OSINT isn't just a trend. It's the future of building a truly robust security posture in the tech industry. By leveraging public information, we can build smarter, more resilient defenses. It's all about knowing your enemy and, more importantly, knowing yourself. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content on cybersecurity and tech. See you in the next one.